As a human being, you're confronted daily with issues, problems, and cases. And as a lawyer, you're confronted as well with a whole lot of cases that you have to solve. But have you ever asked yourself, what's the first thing to do when we are having a case? I mean, you have tons of papers, tons of allegations, tons of demands, and you're lost. What to do? How to start? When things are really big, everything becomes harder. No wonder it's like constructing a building where the foundations are what determine how far the skyscraper would reach. What's the most systematic way to start? All we have to do is to gather the most possibly relevant facts to the case and arrange them in the correct order. How to find the facts and how to arrange them. Jacqueline's case was a story where Jacqueline had to speak and the coworker had to speak, a lot of data, and we had to listen. So now, how can we arrange the facts? How can we firstly find the facts? And by facts here, I mean the relevant ones. As you can see here, it's really interesting because all the story we talked about is reduced to 4 sentences. Jacqueline was invited to play poker. Jacqueline accepted. Jacqueline tried to cheat. Coworker violated her bodily integrity. Wow. So we have 4 foundations to move forward, and no wonder we will start to move from the first line, from the first sentence. So what's the meaning of invitation in this case? And then we will move to the acceptance, and later we will talk about the trial and the cheating, and eventually we will tackle the violations and the body integrity. So it all depends on the facts, the way we lay them, the way we find them, because upon them we would form our vision. And on the left you can find this yellow page, process description. Firstly, we will formulate our vision and perspective. We will contemplate everything. After this process, we will find the fact, the relevant facts. Then we would move to the next step, which is the analysis. And the analysis is the next session where we will start to analyze each and every legal term in front of you over here. After the analysis, we may discover something that makes us change everything we planned for. So the order is of a paramount importance here. We have to follow the order. We have to follow the vision that we form. So again, the vision, the analysis, and eventually we would have the data and information that would make us able to either adjust the vision we have or to continue to conclusion. Today we talked about the facts, how important they are, and they are the first things we should look for and arrange, because upon them we would construct our process. Thank you so much. See you again in the next session. Take care.